Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Padma Shri Dr. Ganpatji, His Excellency, our very dear Council General of India, Satish Sivanji, most respected Dr. Mahindra Sharmaji, very esteemed dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. First of all, I extend my apologies to be late in the inaugural. Actually, now the yellow buses are on the road since Monday, so I didn't anticipate that traffic, and I got stuck on the way. While I entered and I heard about the accolades of the Ganpat University, the list goes on and on and on in the academics, in the sports, in the research, in science, and many things. So I was wondering, because I have yet to meet a university in India who can match this list of accolades and achievements. So many congratulations to them. And I feel that this achievement is a result of your undiluted and undivided cause in the road of education. Because, with all due respect to the educationist and the academic world, but somehow, somewhere, it is becoming more commercial. But your focus and undivided and undiluted focus on education has given these results. Now, when you talk about Gujarat, with all due respect to our other states of India, Gujarat has a very distinct advantage against the Gulf. So when you stand at the shore of Dubai or the UAE, from Fujairah, the first landmass what you see is Gujarat, and the shortest distance by air is the flight to Ahmedabad. Bombay is still little longer. So it has a very natural, association with UAE. And congratulations to Ganpat University for having your first presence outside Gujarat in UAE. In fact, UAE is a favorite destination for Gujarat because I'm honored to be associated with the Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry. When Gujarat Chamber they planned to do first office outside Gujarat, they did it in UAE, the first office outside Gujarat. And I'm honored to be the first chapter chairman for Gujarat Chamber for UAE. So this is a very, very natural bond we have from Gujarat and UAE. And Mahindra sir, what seed you have sown under the leadership of Dr. Rami and your team, it's going to blossom into a magnificent tree very soon, turning out into a college and university. When you talk about education, it is like giving a wisdom, because education alone does not help the students. It's the wisdom along with education which helps the students. And I will give you a couple of examples on how the education and wisdom has turned corporates into the mega industries or having a presence like a multinational corporation. So one example I always quote about Tata, that once the CFO of Tata approached JRD Tata and told him that, sir, if we tweak little bit in our accounts, we will save this much amount of tax. Then JRD asked him, is it legal? The CFO said, yes, it's legal. Then JRD asked him, is it ethical? Then the CFO said, no, it's not. Then he said, no, we should not do it. So, this is the breed which cultivates, the culture of ethics in the industry. And many congratulations to the dear students who are watching online, and they are creating a breed apart, which are going to be a pillar stone in the companies and the industry they go. Today we see, the stalwarts of the academic world sitting over here, the the champions of the industry's presence over here, and many HR heads sitting over here. Because we all have observed, and we have presence in Dubai since 1958. We completed 65 years in business in Dubai, and currently we have business in 130 countries with 10 global offices. And you all will agree to my one point that the biggest challenge in every industry is to find the right HR. It's like finding a needlehead in the desert. Because the CVs can be very fancy, but the moment you interview the person or you have a hands-on experience with him, you find his qualities or his very lacks. So it's very difficult to have a right person in the company. And many thanks to Ganpat University, where you have a culture of industry in the university and university in the industry. So that gives a hands-on experience and to the students to get a right placement, and to the industry to get a right person. And in the UAE, of course, my dear friends, Sohan Roy is here having I don't know, he has crossed 3 digits of companies in Dubai, and that how difficult it is to get a good HR, and the cost before the person attends his first day in the company incurs 5-digit cost in dirhams, before he comes. So, that cost, and when we don't get a right person, then, you have challenges. And of course, the training, there is no substitute to training. Even today we have a culture of training in our company. Every person has to go for training every month, including myself. So, I go for training and I am very happy, I have appetite for learning. But, once we have a right platform and the right breed of thorough employees, good employees, then, it becomes a very smooth process. So with this note, I would like to thank Ganpat University, especially to Dr. Sharma and Dr. Rani, to invite me on this. And I would like to reiterate my statement to Dr. Ganpat, Padma Shri Dr. Ganpat ji, that consider us as your foot soldier in your journey to education in Dubai. And we are at your service anytime, every time, for which we assure you about that attention. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.